Hey traders, welcome to the tradingmentors.com. It's Chris and hope you're having a wonderful day. This is the end of day session. However, what I'm going to do here is give you some tips on how you can use the Quant Dynamics software in a kind of different way as we go into the markets so that you can, as an option, you can change the settings slightly. And if you prefer them, you can keep them. Now, I often talk about the golden zone, which you should know about by now. So let me just swap this over back to the golden zone just for your own, just to remember. So I use the SMA. I use the high, close, low, low, and then I use the 50. Yeah, so this is the golden zone. This is when the price comes into the golden zone, and that's when we're looking for a potential buy or potential sell. What all professionals do. I've been doing this since 1982, trading the 50 EMA. It's SMA, or the EMA, doesn't really matter. But there we can see the golden zone. Okay, so that gives you an idea. This is the 30-minute chart, and some of you have been doing fantastically well using the 30-minute chart, especially during the Asian session. So you're just waiting for the price to come into the golden zone. Now, sometimes it does not quite make it, does it? But it comes into this red zone. So it's, well, either or. It doesn't really matter which one, really. But the golden zone is a really big clue as to which direction it's going, because it's pointing the direction it's going to go before it's gone there. So we can see that we wait for the candle to go red in this zone here with price cycle high. And we then sell it with price cycle high. And then we keep going and we keep going and keep going. Now we can see now that we've had a breakout today, haven't we? And it's not stopped. 44.83. It's hesitating slightly, so there may be a correction coming maybe tomorrow now. But we can see from this information where the price is going. So see this here? So what's likely to happen is it's going to come back down into about 44.40, 44.30, somewhere around here. And then it's going to move back up into 45.08, into this supply zone here. Fairly straightforward, nothing new in that. But let me just give you a tip on something which you can do if you wish. Don't have to. But it's all about having the flexibility to do it, isn't it? So let's have a look. So in this instance, I'm going to change the EMA. So this is the Quant Dynamics software version 3. Now you do get version 3.1 as well, but I'm just going with version 3 at the moment. So I want to use the close, so just change it to the close on all these. I've switched the number 4 off. Now I'm going to change this number to 13. This one's 50 is fine, and I'm going to change this one to 200, and I'll give you some fantastic examples of this system, which again is part of Quant Dynamics. However, it just gives you a different perspective, I guess. So I want to change that to blue, change that to red, change that to black, let's say. And let's see how that looks. So there we are. So the way you use this, it's rather like the golden zone. The red line is the 50 EMA now. But you can see where the price cycle is. And if you zoom into this here, you're just looking for a red candle as the price comes up to the 50, which was the golden zone. It doesn't quite come up to the 200, but you can see the way that these are stacking together. They're all stacking down. Now, a lot of you have been very successful on the 30-minute chart. I don't trade, I trade the 10-minute, but that's fine. It's the same theory, of course, and it works on the 4-hour, it works on the daily, it works on the 5-minute. It's totally up to you. So if you're a position trader, as an example, you might just want to work it on the daily. And so therefore you'll only spend about 15 minutes a day on the charts. So once you've got it, you have that kind of flexibility with coaching, of course. Now you can see here where the price is coming up into this area here, as an example, and then it breaks down below the blue line. down below the blue line. Okay, and that is your profit there, and so on and so forth. So let me show you this on a different time frame. So I've moved into the 4-hour chart, which is slow. So if you guys don't want to spend too much time on the charts, that's great. Just pop in and see what's going on in the 4-hour chart. We can see here the price on the US Swiss. We had a trade here, and we can see that the price had a correction. Now, a correction is what we're looking for. We pray for corrections because we don't want to be selling here or here, because we're going to get tripped out. We want to wait for those corrections. Now, sometimes we have to wait longer than normal, but that's all right. We don't mind. So as the price comes up into this zone here, you can see that the price comes into the 50, and the institutions who trade the 50 and the 200 are rejecting this price almost immediately, and then the price comes down. Now, you can choose to enter there immediately, and your stop loss there with a very tight stop, 11 pips, and 4.6 to 1 risk to reward. Here's one example we did have a trade on, but it's not this kind of trade because the 200 is higher. But this was the golden zone rule, so it came into the golden zone and then reacted, and we had a beautiful move there. Now the pound yen, the pound yen is looking very interesting, and we can see that the price I sent into this VIP signals room, the Quant flow signals room, it did come into the golden zone. But I've adjusted these accordingly, as I just mentioned, and you can see them all stacking on top of each other with the price cycle low. So the chances of this price moving at this stage are very, very high indeed, as long as it holds on to the trend. If it doesn't hold on to the trend, then it doesn't matter anyway. You're going to get tripped out. But in the end, this is as good as it gets. Now, we have a bullish candle. You can see that there. I zoom in here. So what's happened here on this Heikin-Ashi chart, the price has moved above this previous candle. We had a bit of a doji going on, and then the price has broken out. Now, in terms of the type of candle, you can use the ordinary candles. And this is what happens. So you've got 3 consecutive candles bouncing off the 200-day moving average. Okay, so you could have entered much sooner using a live chart, especially with the price cycle so low on a 4-hour chart. The chances of this price moving down into this area are very slim indeed. So let's have a look at that. So if you got in on the next candle here, you've got in slightly sooner, or even here on this green candle, somewhere there, and you had your target is already set, by the way, by the software. So we can see that the target is set here, 215.90. I've got my target on as mentioned in the VIP room, and so therefore you can actually use this information to actually make better decisions if you wish. Let's see what happens on the daily chart if you want to trade the daily. So here's a really, really good example on the daily chart. So if you just want to be a position trader on the daily chart and just spend 10-15 minutes a day, then you can use the price cycle which comes with the software, and you can wait for a correction, which is exactly what this is. You can see that the price, the blue line is above the red line, the black line is down there somewhere. You can see that the price is bullish. We've got a golden cross there, and therefore this correction. Now you don't want to be buying there because of this. You want to be buying there very, very low. And of course, as the price moves up and into the moving averages and above them, then that's another way of getting into the position. So here 211.66 goes up to your target of 215.71. Now, when it comes to reversals, guess what? All of those things go out the window. So we then go down to this bit here. We're not looking at continuation patterns or pullbacks or swings. We then remove all that, and then we have the reversal system, which is fantastic. And all we're looking for is an up on the software. Box number 1 ticked. We're looking at a wave 5 potentially, and we're looking at a buy power of 72 with positive divergence. Okay, and the price zooms up and you make a ton of money. Here's another example. As the price came down into demand, we can see the golden cross. So this is bullish. You're waiting for the price cycle to come down. So that's the rally, that's the pullback. How do we know that? Just look at our tool below, see where the price cycle is, and there is divergence. You can see that positive, and then you make a ton of money.